If you've ever been in a workshop where there's one person who just keeps on talking, then you'll understand the importance of mastering the art of interruption. Because sometimes it doesn't matter what frameworks you use, which discussion structures you put in place. Sometimes there's just one person who likes to talk and they don't come up for air. For me, mastering the art of interruption has three parts. The first is we need to set the scene. We need to warn people that we might interrupt them throughout the workshop. And for me, that's just a simple phrase at the beginning of the workshop that sounds something like, hey, as your facilitator, part of my role is to keep things on time and on track. And in order to do that, there might be times where I interrupt you if I think we're heading off in a different direction, or if I'm mindful of time and I need you to wrap it up. By warning people up front that you might interrupt, two things happen. They become just a little bit more mindful about how long they share. And two, when you do interrupt, they don't take it as a personal affront. They've been warned that it might happen throughout the session. So that's the first thing. Set the scene, warn people you might interrupt. The second thing is to use your body language to signal that an interruption might be coming. Now, this is a little harder to do online, but in person, you can lean forward, you can raise your hand, you can open your mouth and keep it open like you're wanting to talk. And if you are eyeballing them, if you are being present and you're actually face to face with them, all of those body language cues will let them know an interruption is coming. And sometimes it's just enough for them to take a breath so that you have that moment, that flicker in time where you can jump on in. So that's the second thing. Use your body language to signal an interruption is coming. The third step is to make the interruption about time, not about the person or what it is that they're sharing. So my interruption always sounds something like, hey, I just want to jump in there because I'm mindful of time. And then I follow that up by mirroring, that's a hard word to say, what it is the person was saying. So I might say something like, hey, I just want to jump in there because I'm mindful of time. What I'm hearing you say is, and I will reflect back to the person the point I think they're trying to make. Most often, when a person feels heard and you're able to reflect that point back and they know that you've got it, they will happily wrap up their contribution.